Hey everyone, I left the Mr. Naked Landscaper den today, only to witness his epic battle for survival. You won't believe what happens next. As you can see, there's a brutal fight going on. Wasp versus Fly. Who could possibly win? They're about the same sort of size as each other, and it's clearly a battle to the death. Let's see what happens. It looks like the Wasp may be winning, and here we go. Beheaded! Let's see that again in slow motion. After this, the Wasp processes the body, removes some legs, removes a wing, and gets the Fly's body ready to take back to the nest, where it'll feed it to its grubs and grow a strong hive and more killer wasps. Brutal.
That was crazy. Thanks for watching. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, of course like the video. Other than that, stay crazy, stay wild, and stay free.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.